So the first, oh, it's still frozen? Yeah, thank you. The first term is what, 4/3?
Yeah.
And then what's the next term?
And then 8/9.
8/9, and then what?
16.
27, right? So this, what's the ratio each time?
2/3.
R equals 2/3, right? What's the first term?
4/3.
4/3. And we have a formula for the sum of...
That's the geometric.
Yeah, it's a geometric series, right?
And the R.
So yeah, so what's that formula though? What do you do? It's A over 1 minus what?
R. So it'll be
2/3, right? So it should be 4/3 times 3, right?
Yeah. So it's
12 over 3 is what? I think it's just 4, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is a geometric series. The R value is less than, the absolute value is between -1 and 1, so it converges. Yay? We good? Yeah, good. Nice. Good job. What could you factor out first to make it look like something we know? X squared. So if you factor out x squared, you end up with what? X squared over 2 factorial plus x to the 3 factorial plus x to the... Yeah, I'm doing better at that. Yeah, it's a good time. X to the 4th over what? 4 factorial? Right? That's nice. That looks like something. What does that look like? That looks like e to the x minus 1, right?
Yes.
Doesn't it look like e to the x minus 1?
Minus 1 minus x.
Oh, what is e to the x? What is the expansion? What is the expansion for e to the x? 1 plus x squared over 2 factorial plus what? X cubed over 3 factorial? Is that correct? Yeah, so there's actually, you actually have to take away an x as well, right? And then there's, so what's this actually going to be? It's going to be e to the x minus 1 minus x. Now, where do you put that times x squared? Like this? Or the whole thing? The whole thing, right. There it is. Nice. So then when you multiply that in, is the answer up there? Yeah.
It's kind of nice because there's like none of them are really that close.
Yeah, they're all very different. Yeah. So is it D? Yeah.
It's like after you get to the e to the x, it can only really be...
Look at first. How about we look at 2 first? Let's look at 2 first. Well, how can that be rewritten? Well, it's the sum n equals 1 to infinity of 1 over n to the what power?
1/3.
You know, 1/3 is less than 1, therefore what? Diverges, right? Diverges. So which ones can you get out of there? Oh, so it's which of the following series diverge? So it has to be. So you can take out A,
You can take out C.
C, right? So you can take out 2 of them already. Which one do you want to look at next? Let's look at 3. Let's look at 3 for example. Does this one? How do you know that this diverges?
It's gonna be like the sequence converges to 1.
Yes, the limit as n goes to infinity of e to the n over e to the n plus 1 is what? 1. Therefore, it what? Therefore, it diverges. You know it diverges because for a series to have any chance of going to converging, it has to go to 0. But just because it goes to 0 doesn't mean it converges. Harmonic goes to 0, does not converge. So we know 3 has to be in there, so it can't be B, right? So now you have to do, so it has to be D or E. So you have to check out 1 here. So how do we analyze this one? How do we analyze this one? Okay, sine of 2 is a number, right?
Yeah.
What's the limit?
Sine of 2, I would say, is...
Can you just say that it's
Hold on.
Sine of 2 over pi is less than
less than 1 and then
Hold-
1 over pi
it goes
is
to
like a
0.
geometric?
Well, careful. So what type is this?
Geometric.
It's a geometric series. So what is the a value on this? What's the first value?
Sine of...
Nope.
Oh, it's
What's the first term? What is it? 1. The first one is 1. Plug in 0, everybody. What's a constant to the 0 power? 1. What's the ratio on this, Seema?
Sine 2 over pi.
Sine 2 over pi. Exactly.
That's definitely less than...
So therefore, what's the sum? Oh yeah, sine of 2 is definitely less than
1.
less than 1. So therefore, what does this do? Therefore,
Converges.
converges. And could you actually find what this converges to?
Yeah.
Yeah, it would be 1 over 1 minus
1 minus 7.
2 over pi. Yeah, that's what it would converge to. So it can't be E, so it has to be D. How do you feel about that one? Pretty good?
Yep.
Pretty good?